What is cash cow videos? So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you what is cash cow videos. So basically cash cow video is YouTube automation and other social media automation where you don't need to be show your face, like you need to upload edit videos that will edit by professional, or you can edit as well, and you will upload it to YouTube. It can be any type of content like crime documentaries or other things, like there is a lot of niches on that. So you need to simply upload that on YouTube, and after that YouTube will monetize your channel and you will get earn from that videos without showing your face. So that's what we call cash cow videos. And a lot of freelancer on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms offer that service where they will tell you they will make cash cow videos for you. And yes, that's how it works. Thanks for watching.